You didn't sneeze, you bioattacked. You just let off a full chest cough into the open air like we're not sharing oxygen. No hand, no elbow, not even a fake attempt to look civilized. Just straight respiratory warfare, casually released like you're doing community service for germs. You think we're built for that? You didn't sneeze. You unleashed something. That wasn't a bodily function, that was a public health hazard. If I had a bubble, I'd live in it. And don't even try the "it's just allergies" line. It's not allergies, it's bio-level disrespect. Cover it. I don't care if you gotta sneeze into your hoodie, your elbow, or a void of shame. Just don't launch it into the world like we're not trying to survive out here. Anyway, am I overthinking this or is this peak red flag behavior? Drop a comment. I need the Public Health Committee, aka y'all, to weigh in. Hey, I'm someone who just says what a lot of people are thinking. If this hit even a little, hit follow and tag along.